any difficulty arises in giving effect to any of the provisions of this Act, the Commission may, with the approval of the President, make such provisions for the removal of the difficulty as it may deem fit, and any order shall be published on the website of the Commission.
Now it seems to me that here was a difficulty. Here were candidates fielded by a political party for whatever reason. Let's not go into that, your order, whatever order. As a matter of law, they could not be given that election symbol. Could not, as a matter of law. A major national level political party which 2 years before that or 3 years formed the federal government. Instead of saying, we have this binary approach, either you are fielded candidate of political party or you are independent as per your order or whatever reasoning.
My formulation.
You could have taken recourse to section 240. You could have said, here is a difficulty. We recognize that this is an enlisted political party. We recognize they've fielded candidates. We cannot give them a symbol of the political party. A direct application of subsection 2, section 67(2) in this case, as a matter of law, cannot happen because that would have catastrophic consequences. So here is a difficulty. Let us take recourse to section 240. Let us make an order saying these are the candidates who will be given non-bad symbols, what you call independent symbols, but non-bad symbols. But we, the Election Commission, make it clear that these are candidates fielded by this political party. That would have been following the democratic mandate of holding proper elections. Because practically, even legally to a certain extent, to some extent you could say.
आपको कोई difficulty any provisions of this act? ठीक है.
The effect would be that that party stood disenfranchised. So here was the situation. Now I am contrasting that with the SIC. The SIC.
I know. My lord, वो एक
Was such an application submitted to you?
Sorry?
Was such an application submitted to you to invoke powers under section 240?
No, my lord, and I'll add.
Fine.
एक और चीज मैं add कर दूं, my lord.
Doesn't require any application. Your power.
My lord,
Sikandar Saab.
This all happened at the RO level. Please remember that. No appeal was filed that this would have come up all the way to the election commission.
सिकंदर
सर मेरी अगली formulation, my lord, ये है.
सिकंदर साहब मेरा एक question है.
सेकंड का तो आपका ऑर्डर है ना.
Sorry.
सिकंदर
My lord, but I thought we were going to leave that also.
सिकंदर साहब,
challenge हो गया था.
सिकंदर साहब, there are two. I think we are confusing two things. One is the judgment of this court regarding symbol. The other thing is.
Sorry, I will interrupt regarding intra-party elections.
Yes.
No,
please, there's a big distinction.
IPE case.
Either read it and say that, or
the intra-party,
इसकी
the
review pending है. अगर आपने इतना यहीं डिस्कस कर लेना है तो फिर review.
मैं तो नहीं करना चाह रहा. मैं तो अपनी formulation पढ़ना चाह रहा हूँ.
No, I will now
My lord will rescue me.
No, now I will not rescue because you were responding to the question. Now I think you'll have to face the
बात नहीं. एक तरफ क्या रिव्यू कर रहे हो, फिर उस पे आप तबसरा कर रहे हैं. दोनों बातें नहीं हो सकती.
ये बताइए,
अगर रिव्यू पेंडिंग है तो रिव्यू को चलना चाहिए या नहीं चलना चाहिए, या यहीं चलेगी रिव्यू? आप यहीं लगा लें.
One member of that court has had open heart surgery. She is recuperating. So please, snide remarks on the judgment are not acceptable. If a review is pending, this, I say, a matter of constitutional law, any other bench should not discuss it. Okay? Or if you want to make snide remarks, then please read the judgment at least. To that extent you can do so. It's part of the legal judgment of Pakistan.
ये देखो ना.
I will come.
एक second, सिकंदर.
Please आगे चलिए.
Sikandar, let me complete my question.
My lord.
No one is questioning the legality of that judgment. My question to you is, while the commission was arguing before this court, आपने जो formulations बनाई हैं, did you inform the court then that if they don't have a common symbol, they would not be able to contest as political party candidates?
My lord, now,
because that consequence.
My lord, with utmost respect, I am saying that I think the best course is that, and I've taken guidance from the observations. I am going to respond to all of these related questions by saying that there is a review pending, and I am not counsel in that review. I am not instructed. So, my lord, I will move to my formulation number 5.
Now, I think now you've come on the track.
My lord, I'm slow. Like a tube light, but
ट्रैक पे आने से पहले एक बात का सिंपली कम से कम ये बात तो तय है ना कि उस जजमेंट में आपको मना नहीं किया गया, ना किसी पार्टी को उनके राइट्स जो एक्ट देता है उससे डिप्राइव नहीं किया गया। ये बात दुरुस्त है?
सर, मैं कहूंगा कि देयर इज अ रिव्यू पेंडिंग। जजमेंट इन व्हिच
I think that's the appropriate answer.
जब तक रिव्यू पेंडिंग है, आपसे एक सवाल है। जजमेंट यू कैन रीड जजमेंट, इट इज इन फील्ड अनलेस एंड अंटिल इट्स सेटिस्फाइड। उस जजमेंट में कतन ये बात नहीं लिखी गई, जहाँ तक मैंने पढ़ी है जजमेंट, उसमें कतन कहीं पे ये बात नहीं आई कि इस जजमेंट के आने के बाद पार्टी इलेक्शन ना होने की सूरत में बैट नहीं मिला, उसके अलावा बाकी जितने भी राइट्स थे उस पार्टी के वो मुतासिर नहीं हुए। आप हाँ या ना में जवाब दें।
My lord, there is a review pending against that judgment.
Yes.
And one of the judges had open argument.
आगे बढ़ते हैं।
आगे बढ़ो।
इसको हाँ समझा जाए।
अगला वो करें।
My lord, formulation number 5 is at page 14. My lord, CMA 5 it goes.
Just on this thing, can you just factually, so except this gentleman, nobody else submitted PTI
My lord, मैं ये to be responsible and for my lord, especially for my lord, Mr. Jai, ये आप आंसर करें।
ये टिकट देख मुझे because there are
दूसरी पार्टी खुद कह देगी।
मेरी इंस्ट्रक्शन सर यही है। अभी can I move on by saying that? But I am.
You are saying it on
this will have a very serious effect. Please don't make a statement till you verify it from the record.
मैंने इनको कहा है कि मुझे 81 के 81 फॉर्म्स दिखाएं, मैं खुद से देखूंगा और मैं फिर
और उसके साथ ये भी आप देखेंगे कि सर्टिफिकेट था या
आगे बढ़े।
चलिए।
My lord, formulation number 5.
जी।
एक सवाल पे ये जो पेज 11 पे उर्दू में जो लिखा हुआ, इन्होंने दरख्वास्त दी आपको सिकंदर साहब।
सर मैं को खोल रहा हूँ।
ये पेज 11 पे उर्दू में इन्होंने कहा कि शटल कॉक दे।
जी
ठीक।
जी
ये वैसे थे इनके, अगर आप नॉमिनेशन पेपर देख लें, बेशक इन्होंने सर्टिफिकेट एफिलिएशन सर्टिफिकेट पीटीआई का सबमिट किया, लेकिन डिक्लेरेशन उन्होंने दी है सुन्नी इत्तेहाद। ब्रैकेट में लिखा है कि वो अलायंस, लेकिन बेसिकली डिक्लेरेशन वाज इन रिस्पेक्ट ऑफ सुन्नी इत्तेहाद। अब जब इन्होंने एप्लीकेशन आपको दी कि बैट नहीं मिल रहा, शटल कॉक दे दो, तो 67(2) के तहत आप उसको मना कर सकते थे कि मां सिवाय आपके घोड़े।
ये पेज 14 देखिए, पेज 14 पे तो इनका भी नजरियाती लिखा हुआ है। पढ़ लेना, पेज 14 निकाले ना प्लीज।
क्वेश्चन बीच में रह गया। सिकंदर
एक मिनट, सिकंदर साहब पेज 14 प्लीज, पेज 14 देखिए जरा। आई एम प्रेजेंट एफिलिएटेड विद पाकिस्तान तहरीक इंसाफ नजरियाती, ये इनका साहिबजादा साहब का फॉर्म है।
मेरा क्वेश्चन वहीं पे है सिकंदर, मेरा क्वेश्चन वहीं पे है। देखिए हम बाकी दरख्वास्तों पे नहीं जाएंगे।
सर मैं I couldn't reach that.
सिकंदर प्लीज।
I was not allowed. I'm sorry.
अब 3 चीजें हो गई ना जनाब।
सर ये हुआ, ये 3 हुए।
एक मिनट,
पहले उन्होंने
आया, सुनिए, पहला आया पीटीआई का अपना सर्टिफिकेट, ठीक।
तो नहीं, उसे एक पहले शुरू करते हैं। पहले उन्होंने नॉमिनेशन फॉर्म में कहा सुन्नी इत्तेहाद ब्रैकेट्स पीटीआई अलायंस।
यहाँ पे रुक जाए।
सर एक सेकंड, मैं आपको सीक्वेंस से ले जाऊं।
मेरा क्वेश्चन
सर एक सेकंड, मेरा
क्वेश्चन बीच में,
मैं आपका सवाल ले लेता हूं, बट माय लॉर्ड दिस इज इंपॉर्टेंट फॉर द होल बेंच।
पूछ रहा हूं, जरा आप पहले सुन लीजिए ना,
आप नोट करें। देखिए मेरा
बाद में दे दीजिएगा उनको।
मेरा क्वेश्चन सिंपल ये है, आप यहाँ पे रुक जाए, अभी अच्छी जगह। मेरा क्वेश्चन सिंपल है कि जब उन्होंने सुन्नी इत्तेहाद की तरफ से जो नॉमिनेशन पेपर सबमिट कर फिर उन्होंने एप्लीकेशन दी कि ये निशान चेंज कर दिया जाए, क्या ये आप पे जिम्मेदारी नहीं थी कि आप कहते 67(2) के तहत कि आपको सिंबल सुन्नी इत्तेहाद का जो घोड़ा है वो मिलेगा, इसके अलावा कोई और आपको नहीं मिल सकता, ना बैट मिल सकता है। आप बैट को
अब आप मजहर साहब का भी सवाल सुन
माय लॉर्ड
भाई सुनिए,
ये नॉमिनेशन फॉर्म से
सवाल तो सुन
बाय वन चलिए ना। पहले सुन्नी इत्तेहाद
इन द नॉमिनेशन फॉर्म,
पीटीआई का सर्टिफिकेट
ऑन द 13
डिक्लेरेशन नजरियाती का, ठीक है,
इन द नॉमिनेशन फॉर्म।
अगर
स्टैट्यूटरी डिक्लेरेशन,
क्या ये अपनी पार्टी से रिजाइन करके इधर आए थे पीटीआई से?
सर मैंने भी, आई हैव वंडर्ड this, he's here if the court wants to ask him.
आधे इधर हैं आधे इधर है, तो आप वहाँ के चेयरमैन हैं आप.
बिल्कुल
आप इलेक्शन लड़ रहे पीटीआई से, तो अपनी पार्टी तो छोड़.
मुझे नहीं समझ आई बिकॉज वो उनका ज्वाइनिंग लेटर जो है उसमें भी वो कहते हैं आई एम करंटली चेयरमैन.
How he can join the another party?
I'm not clear, sir. I'm not
to
clear.
his original parent
Sir,
party.
I'm not clear, and that's a very valid question. The honourable member for parliament who now he's present, I understand. He could perhaps clarify that he took 4 different stances.
वो अपने डिक्लेरेशन
Doesn't matter. You
मेरा है सर.
अपने डिक्लेरेशन में कह रहे हैं 63 अप्लाई होगा.
आप अपने सबमिशन करें. हाँ.
5 on page 14. But sir, that is true. All of this.
अपने फॉर्म में कह रहे हैं 63 अप्लाई होगा.
जी खुद से.
सुन्नी इत्तेहाद भी तो छोड़ के इधर आए हो ना.
Sir, I don't want to go into it, but this is a very valid point.
क्या ये बता सकते हैं आप कि ये जो नॉमिनेशन पेपर है, प्रेफरेंस आप उसको देंगे या कोई एक सब्सिक्वेंट एप्लीकेशन को देंगे?
आखिरी 13 तारीख को जो सबसे आखिरी रिक्वेस्ट आएगी उसको दूंगा ना सर. I let him make his choice. He says, I want to change my mind. I say, okay, you're still within time. So I take his very last one, and if he doesn't have one,
then for that matter, the nomination paper has to be changed.
So there is a defect in the nomination paper. We've already identified 2 defects.
उन्होंने जो nomination paper वो final हो गया, उस nomination paper के बाद 10 मरतबा वो कहते रहे.
As has been observed, we'll go on substance, not
तो change नहीं हो सकता.
On substance. Lord, may I read formulation 5 at page 14? The election program is prepared and issued by the ECP in exercise of powers conferred under the Constitution and the Elections Act. And sir, मैंने आगे relevant sections दिए हैं सारे. The determination of election program is the exclusive constitutional mandate of the ECP.
कहाँ से पढ़ रहे?
Sir, ये page 14, concise statement, CM 5.
If you keep the mic before you.
Beg your pardon, sir. It is a requirement of the scheme of the Constitution and the Elections Act that the list of priority for seats reserved for women and non-Muslims of a political party in Form 66 is submitted and scrutiny of the candidate in such Form 66 is completed at the same time as scrutiny of nomination forms of candidates for general seats. The sequence, its timing and process are more in consonance with democratic ideals as it provides an opportunity to the voter to take into account the preference of a political party of its candidates on reserved seats for women and non-Muslims. This crucial opportunity and right of the voter will be lost should Form 66 be allowed to be filed after conclusion of a general election by a political party solely consisting of independents who joined such party pursuant to the proviso to the article. And my Lord, Mr. Justice Mansoor Ali Shah had asked various counsel, and this is at least my answer to it, that why can't you have the list afterwards? And my Lord, in my humble submission, the most important factor that I humbly have identified is that indirectly at least, the voter gets to vote on the Form 66 because the entire process is completed before polling day. Today, if the prayer or the requests of the appellant are allowed, theoretically, and I will use an extreme example to make my point, theoretically, anyone in the sole discretion of the party head will be named, but the voters of this country, and the ECP has been repeatedly asked that you have to vote ko izzat do. बार के आप वोटर को इज्जत दे. So this is giving vote को, my Lord, izzat by recognizing and providing the voter with an opportunity to check or not vote for any of the above, to abstain or to vote for, because he has theoretically the complete picture available to him of any political party he wishes to support or not support. That opportunity is simply unavailable now. It is unavailable to the voter. There will be no vote. Yes, RO के पास उसका फॉर्म जाएगा, but the voter will have, that's the only protection. And my lord, iska ek counter argument, I am now anticipating something, that, oh, the voter, you can give a list if your list is exhausted. But my lord, now may I come to section 104. And section 104 specifically says, and this is what the appellate party has done, because yesterday, I haven't seen those papers, my lord, because they were handed over to the court and they're not in CMs readily available to the ASCs. But it seems from what I heard that there is a Form 66 by PTI, and it has they've named 2 people each. And they took they took some legal strategic position, not the cleverest in my humble submission. They only gave 2 names. Because yes, I concede the law allows, the constitution allows that to be enlarged. But my lord, the law says, may give names of as many candidates as you can, even account for disqualifications of candidates.